Very nice.
What's going on here?
I'm making a tuna bake.
Where's the tuna?
Tuna's in here. So I've got a tin of 425 gram tin of tuna chunks in spring water, and I've broken it up in there, and I've made some white sauce, which is just,
How do you do it? You put it in the microwave?
that's microwave. That's just flour, water, milk, and some of the juice out of the I used all the juice out of the tin of tuna. It's all in there. I'm going to add some capers. Capers just add a nice tang.
Nice tiny bite. You just wash the dishes.
Oh yeah, so the only other thing I added to the white sauce was a bit of butter. And I put the noodles. They're about 99% cooked, drained and rinsed. Just to cool them. Now I'm going to put it all together. Get that noise machine off. That's ended up a lot more liquidy than I had anticipated.
That's alright. Will it be a turn on the top?
No, that's right.
It will thicken.
Because I added more of the juice.
Did you turn on the oven?
You can stop starting that noodles into the pan and add the sauce. I do it like this, and I know that all the sauce is all mixed through on all the pasta. Alright, I haven't added any salt to it yet. And I just, you recording?
Yeah.
I just put butter in this pan just to try and reduce the chance of it sticking quite so much. Don't know whether it'll work.
Give me some. What is it? Mozzarella.
It doesn't have a lot of flavour, but it's not creamy and this one's tasty. This is the one that gives it all the flavour.
You drop in bits. That's it.
That's it.
Drop one.
Those little tomato bombs just make it delicious.
That's it. looks good.
What's the verdict?
Very nice.